Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So I have with me my friend Vivek Singh and Atang bhai. आप इनको तो जानते होंगे, इनको सबसे पहली बार देखा होगा। मेरे मुँह से आपने काफ़ी बार सुना होगा नाम चीकू भाई, तो ये उनका ही पेट नेम है। सो आज हम लोग वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं साथ में। नाउ बाय द टाइटल ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू मस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी कम टू नो दैट टुडे वी आर गोना इंस्टॉल लाइट्स ऑन माय हेलमेट। व्हाट द हेल So by the title of this video you must have already come to know that today I'm gonna install lights on my helmet. So he's gonna help me out क्योंकि ये हमारे इंजीनियर लौंडा है, इनको सब कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छे से आता है। मैं भी कर सकता हूँ लेकिन मेरा उतना प्रोफेशनली नहीं होगा, ये काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकते हैं। So let's do it. By the way guys, I forgot to show you the light which I'm gonna install. So ये है वो light, it is by the way इस लाइट को बोलते क्या है? EL wire. EL wire. So this is EL wire basically, and it costed. Sorry? Electroluminescent. इतना इंजीनियर वाले बातें मेरे को नहीं समझ में आते। आर्ट्स का स्टूडेंट हूँ मैं, जिनको नहीं समझ में। ठीक है चलो, ये कौन सा बता दो को सर? Electroluminescent. ओके, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कैसे। So this lighting costed me 600 rupees and it has total 3 modes. अभी यहाँ पे लाइट काफ़ी सारा है इसलिए मैं आपको शो नहीं कर सकता मोड। एक बार मैं लाइट इंस्टॉल कर दूँ उसके बाद आपको सारे मोड्स दिखाऊंगा। बेसिकली इसमें स्टिल मोड है, फिर लॉन्ग ब्लिंकिंग मोड एंड क्विक ब्लिंकिंग मोड, ये सब है। एंड इट इज़ ऑफ येलो कलर। एज आई टोल्ड यू इन माई अर्लियर वीडियोज दैट आई लव to be visible on road, and yellow is one of the most visible color to the eyes. So let's start the installation. So guys, as you can see, I have already laid out the pattern which I'm gonna follow for the lights. This is how I'm gonna install the lights. I've used this thin thread and using sellotape I have stuck it over here. So this is how my pattern is gonna look. So let's start the installation. So guys, we are gonna install this light using 3M double side tape. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जो लाइट की width है वो काफ़ी कम है, so we are cutting the tape as per that width. Now the next thing what we are doing is we are following the same pattern using the 3M double side tape on which we are gonna stick the light. Then we are just gonna hard press the light over the double side tape. Alright guys, so finally the light has been installed. Special thanks to Vivek bhaiya and Atang bhaiya. अगर ये लोग नहीं होते तो नहीं हो पाता क्योंकि it was basically a 2 or 3 man job. So finally the light has been installed. Now let's give it a real life test. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as you saw that light looks damn good on the helmet. In fact, when we were shooting this video, many people came to us and they were asking about this light and they were all amazed and stuff. Now as I told you earlier that this light costed me 600 rupees and it is one of the best possible quality you can get in this light. Means if you spend 1200 rupees on this light, then also you will get the same quality and you're getting the same quality in 600 rupees. So I'm personally really very happy with the quality of this light and its brightness. It is very bright and visible, So if you also want to get one of these, then there will be an affiliate link down in the description box, so do check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Alright guys, so here I end my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.